Hello everyone, welcome to the channel again. So reason behind doing one more video is along with the allied subject, it is very important to cover up all the homeopathic subjects too, which carries the maximum marks, the maximum MCQs in a competitive exam, in a AIPGAT or in a UPSC exams. So we will start the homeopathic materia medica first. So first we will discuss about the analogues of the medicines. So I request you all to watch the video carefully and listen it repeatedly, so you will by heart it. So let's start. And the analogues of the medicine is the important topic, because every time in every exam of AIPGAT or UPSC, one question is always pick up from this portion, so it is very important. So let's start with the analogues, and it is taken from the Allen's keynote. So there are vegetable analogues and the chemical analogues of some medicines which are given in Allen's keynote. So we will read it. So the Dalkamara have the chemical analog of a Kali sulf. Cinchona have a chemical analog ferrum mate. Chamomilla have a chemical analog magphos. Mesotherium have a chemical analog of a mercurius. Ignatia have a chemical analog of natrum mur. Allium cepa have a chemical analog of a phosphorus. Phytolacca have a chemical analog of a kali iodum. Valeriana have a chemical analog of a platina. Podophyllum have a chemical analog of a plumbum mate. Ipecac have a chemical analog of a cuprum mate. Pulsatilla have a chemical analog of a kali mur. So the questions in competitive exams are asked randomly. That is, one may ask about the vegetable analog of the kali sulf. So it is the dalkamara. And in one competitive exam, it also may ask the chemical analog of a cinchona. So it is the ferrum mate. So you should by heart this. And again, the nearest analog, there is the one point to be remembered here is eupatorium is the nearest analog of a bryonia. So that's it. It is we will finish it here, and we will learn more about the homeopathic materia medica in our next video. So for today, here it end. Thank you so much for watching and listening the video carefully. If you like my work, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Also like, comment and share more and more. Thank you so much.